व्हाट्सअप आ गए हम ग्रीन थेरेपी कंपनी। आपको लगेगा ये क्या है ग्रीन थेरेपी? नो, इट्स नॉट अ डॉक्टर, इट्स अ वे टू अवॉइड अ डॉक्टर्स अपॉइंटमेंट। यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ हेल्दी ऑप्शंस आउट देयर, सैलेड बोल, स्मूदीज, एवोकाडो जूस। थोड़ा बोरिंग कर रहा है, आप पिज्जा पास्ता भी खा सकते हो। एज यू सी, आई एम वेयरिंग green today. The company name is Green Therapy. We have lots of greens inside. So what are you waiting for? It's green ticked also. Vegetarian and vegan for all you food lovers out there. So let's go.
आज हम आ गए ग्रीन थेरेपी में. इट्स अ क्लाउड किचन. This cloud kitchen serves all your meal options that are very healthy. So today I'm been trying the quinoa poha. It's a great substitute for your rice poha. Quinoa is really high in fiber and very soluble. It's called a superfood, which is the Gen Z term people are giving nowadays. So let's dig in and see how healthy it is. The texture is very nice. It's as light as the rice poha which we have. It's really soft. So next I'll be trying the whole smoothie ball. It's the mixed berry ball loaded with fresh berries, pomegranate, pineapple. This can be given to children as well, like aged 1 to 2 years also. Like really healthy. I generally give it to my twins as a healthy substitute for the normal rice and all those things. So I'll be trying the avocado toast while Adla is finishing all the chocolate toast smoothie balls. Very creamy. Avocado is a great antioxidant. It's become really popular, and in pregnant women, it really helps in the fetus growth. So it's really advisable for pregnant women to have this.
So there you have it, a full breakfast blend that has so many of your nutrients, but it's so delicious as you can see. It's a Healthy Nari verified. You have vegan and Jain options here. It's a pure veg outlet. So for all you vegetarian lovers who are deficient in nutrient and proteins, do give this a try. Hi, so as we had an amazing breakfast at Green Therapy, Sunil and I are back to try the various lunch options as well. As you know, we are always on the move, so we are hungry, but we don't want to compromise on our health. So our amazing dishes, they are very different, because here we have vegan sushi bowl, as you can see. And since these are vegan options, you have tofu here as a main protein. And with an amazing ginger and soy salad on the side. And for all those non-vegan lovers who love their dairy options like Simple, we have an amazing Italian twisted bowl. As you can see, it has burrata cheese and it has your tomato paste, and you have mushrooms and a lot of other vegetables here. So we're going to dig in and we are going to kind of review how it tastes. I'm so excited. I am going to go for the sushi bowl, yeah, which is vegan. So you have purple cabbage, you have your red capsicum and nori, seaweed, edamame, all the fixings of an amazing sushi wrap without the bake. I'm going to try and eat this. It's so soft and chewy, like if you are a meat lover also, you feel like you're having some form of meat over here. So why don't you try it?
So burrata cheese is considered really healthy item.
Yeah.
So this is pesto sauce made out of basil, and basil is also a very good antioxidant. There's a research which says that mushroom can reduce cancer. So 45% of patients was researched. Very creamy and very nice.
Italian bowl. So one of the main ingredients of this deconstructed sushi bowl is black rice. As you see, we are healthy naris. We try to find alternate grains, or we try to not eat grains, because sometimes when you're trying to lose weight, grains come in the way. But black rice is one of the authentic and ancient rice treasures, and it actually helps in digestion, and if you're working out especially, it actually helps in protein intake as well. So actually I love dry
I
rice.
generally have brown rice at home, but black rice is something I'm trying for the first time.
So I have a query though. What if you want to eat healthy but you're not in the mood for a salad or a healthy quinoa bowl? What do you do then? What if I have craving for pizza and pasta?
So your green therapy has covered you all. So we have the multigrain pizza here and the pasta which is wheat based.
And this is vegan cheese as well.
Yeah, so cashew cheese is used here
Oh my God.
instead of the mozzarella and the parmesan.
As you can see, this is avocado. I can spot some cashew cheese as well. We have cherry tomatoes. We have some microgreens here. And the base is multigrain.
So the base is very thin. When you see it in the maida, it fluffs up and it becomes very crusty and your stomach is very filling with the crust only. And you can actually taste the veggies and the cheese and the everything. I love. Why don't you try the pasta?
Oh, I'm actually dying to. This is a vegan option. So I want to
So
go
the
vegan.
pasta looks brownish because of the wheat base.
The wheat-based pasta. Right?
So the wheat based pasta takes time to cook as well compared to the maida pasta.
See, a lot of oil there is the pesto sauce, which is one of my favorites. I have some sun-dried tomatoes here as well. Oh my god.
So with this, let's try the juice. Cheers to healthy naris and green therapy. I can also do this.
We love everything green therapy. You'll give it a try. They have amazing options. They've covered all your meal groups. You'll definitely love it.
So let's cheer to healthy naris and green therapy. So I have this delicious fresh green therapy verified juice which has pineapple, ginger, beetroot and carrot in it. What a unique combination. And it's cold pressed and there are no preservatives or additives added, no sugar to it.